Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're taking a look at the legendary BMW R51, a classic motorcycle that helped shape BMW's reputation for quality, comfort, and reliability. Let's discover why this vintage machine is still admired by motorcycle enthusiasts around the world. History of the BMW R51. The BMW R51 was introduced in 1938 as a touring motorcycle. It featured BMW's signature boxer twin-engine and shaft drive, making it a dependable and smooth-riding bike. Even decades later, the R51 remains one of BMW's most iconic classic motorcycles. Engine and performance. The BMW R51 is powered by a 494 cubic centimeters air-cooled, two-cylinder boxer engine that delivers smooth and reliable performance. Paired with a 4-speed gearbox and shaft drive, it offers a comfortable riding experience, especially on long journeys. Design and features. The R51 stands out with its timeless vintage styling, round headlight, large fuel tank, and classic chrome details. Its durable frame and comfortable seating made it an excellent touring motorcycle for its era. Why riders love the BMW R51. Collectors and classic motorcycle fans appreciate the BMW R51 for its historical value, dependable engineering, and elegant design. It represents the craftsmanship and innovation that BMW has been known for throughout its history. Conclusion. The BMW R51 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a piece of motorcycling history. If you enjoyed learning about this legendary bike, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to King Bike for more motorcycle reviews and classic bike stories. Thanks for watching.